How does Instagram load your feed so fast without crashing? Today's video shows strategies Instagram uses, including caching and CDN.
Hi there, welcome to Tech&Career Bytes. I'm a software professional with over 2 decades of experience, including 7 years in leadership roles at a global product based organization.
Every time you open Instagram, your feed loads instantly. A single Instagram feed contains photos, videos, likes, comments, and ads, and it loads instantly. This happens for hundreds of millions of users at the same time. Instagram is not inventing new magic. It is applying caching and CDNs at massive scale. If you have watched my earlier videos on caching strategies and CDN, this video is the real-world application of those ideas. Now, let's talk about Instagram's scale. Instagram has 2 plus billion monthly active users, 500 plus million daily active users, thousands of posts per second, and millions of feed refreshes per minute. Now imagine this raw approach. Every time a user opens the app, the system queries the database, fetches posts, loads media, sorts everything, and then returns the feed. At Instagram's scale, this approach is far too slow and simply does not work. It would collapse instantly. Databases cannot handle this load. Network latency would kill UX. So, Instagram's number one rule is never compute feed on demand. Instagram pre-builds your feed. How? Let's discuss. Instead of building the user's feed only when the app is opened, Instagram pre-computes the feed. When a new post is created, the system updates the feeds of affected users in advance, stores the ranked feed, and serves it instantly when they open the app. So, when you open Instagram, your feed is already waiting. Ranking work is already done. This removes heavy computation from the user request path. To serve pre-computed feeds quickly, Instagram uses multi-layer caching. Recently viewed feed items are stored on the device. So when you scroll back up, no network call is needed and the feed feels instant. This is client-side caching. In server-side cache, feed IDs are cached in a Redis-like system. So most feed requests never hit the database. Post metadata like count, comment count, and is liked by user are cached separately. Counts may be slightly stale. Instagram never serves images from its main backend servers. When a user requests an image, it is served from the nearest CDN edge location instead of the main server. Why this matters? Serving media through a CDN reduces latency, lowers backend load, and makes the app feel much faster through progressive loading. Instagram does not load the full feed. Instagram loads only a small set of posts. Only 10-15 posts at first and fetches more as you scroll instead of loading the entire feed. Smaller responses load faster and use less memory on the phone. When you pause or read comments, Instagram quietly loads what you are likely to see next. Instagram preloads the next set of feed posts, upcoming video chunks, and profile data so they are ready when needed. As a result, when you scroll, the data is already available and loads instantly. This is why the app feels magical. Now, let's see what happens during the peak traffic. During peak traffic, some details like likes, comments, or video quality may lag, but the feed still opens and the app continues to work. Instagram prioritizes fast loading first, even if some data is slightly stale or imperfect. This is real-world engineering maturity. Let's quickly summarize what we learned. Instagram's feed feels fast because it is pre-computed, heavily cached, served through CDNs, loaded in small chunks and optimized for perceived speed. This is how real large-scale systems are built.
If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tech topics. Do check out our other videos on software performance optimization case studies, coding, system design, big data, and career growth. My name is Rupa, and I thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.